Are you someone who always feel tired always? Chronic fatigue can be sometimes frustrating, but it's also a way that your body might be telling you that something is going on within your body. In today's video, I would want to reveal to you 10 medical causes of feeling tired always or chronic fatigue. My name is Osukojo Emmanuel, a physician assistant by profession. Here on this channel, I provide health tips which will help you to live a very healthy life. So if you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos. So now let us move straight into this 10 medical causes of feeling tired always or chronic fatigue. The 10th medical cause is what we call anemia. Anemia is a medical condition where there is low red blood cell count. Inside the body, we have three types of blood cells. We have the white blood cells, the red blood cells, and the platelets. The function of the white blood cells is to help the body's immune system by fighting microorganisms that causes diseases. Then the red blood cell function is to help transport oxygen to the various parts of the body to help with metabolism. And then the platelet function is to help in blood clotting. So anytime that something cuts you and you are bleeding, it is the platelet that helps in blood clotting. So anytime that you have anemia and there is low red blood cell count, because the red blood cell is the one transporting oxygen to the various parts of the body, the cells of the body or the tissues of the body will not be getting enough oxygen in order to metabolize the glucose for you to get energy. So because you are not producing enough energy, you always feel tired or you experience fatigue. The 9th medical cause is what we call diabetes. Now, there is a layman term given to diabetes, which is starving in the presence of many. This is how it happens. There is a particular type of diabetes we call type 2 diabetes. With this one, the cells of the body are not sensitive to insulin. Insulin is the major hormone that transports glucose to the cells so that the glucose will be metabolized for you to get energy. However, there is abundance of glucose in your blood. The cells of the body are not sensitive to the insulin. So the insulin cannot transport the glucose from the blood to the cells. So this means that your body will be starving in the presence of many glucose in the blood. So this is how diabetes leads to you experiencing tiredness always. The 8th medical cause is what we call heart disease. The major function of the heart is to pump blood to the various parts of the body. However, when there is a heart disease or heart failure, this means that the heart is unable to pump enough blood to the various parts of the body. And the blood that is being supplied to the cells and the tissues give the tissues oxygen for metabolism to occur. So once the heart is unable to pump enough blood to the cells, this means that the cells will not be getting oxygen to break down the glucose for you to get energy. That can also make you feel tired always or experience chronic fatigue. The 7th medical cause is what we call hypothyroidism or low thyroid hormone production. The major function of the thyroid hormone is to help in metabolism. Metabolism is a way where glucose is being converted into energy for you to be active. How do you understand? So if there is low production of thyroid hormone, which is called hypothyroidism, there will be reduced or low metabolism, and that in return can make you experience tiredness always or feeling fatigue. Infection can also lead to you experiencing tiredness always. Tuberculosis, Epstein-Barr virus, anytime that you have a very chronic infection, these microorganisms in your body will in return fight with you with energy production. So the glucose you produce, the microorganisms will fight with you. They will take a lot of the glucose. So this means that because there is a low amount of glucose in your body will in return experience easy fatigability or tiredness always. The 5th medical cause is some medications. These include antihistamine and antidepressants. Anytime that you take antihistamine or antidepressant, they lead to you experiencing drowsiness, and that can in return make you experience tiredness always. The 4th medical cause is dehydration. Anytime that you are dehydrated or you start losing a lot of fluid, it makes your blood volume comes low. So this means that the rate at which blood is being supplied to your tissues or your cells will be reduced. And once your cells are not getting enough oxygenated blood, it can in return reduce the metabolism by producing you energy. I hope you understand. The 3rd medical cause is kidney disease. The major function of the kidney is to filter the blood so that it will excrete poisonous or toxic substance from the body. When there is a problem with the kidneys, it reduces the function of the kidney in excreting toxic or poisonous substance from the body. So all those poisonous substances will be retained in your body, and that can predispose you into having chronic fatigue or feeling tired always. The second medical cause is liver disease. The liver function is to help detoxify any chemical substance or any medication, anything that you take into the body. However, when there is a problem with the liver, when there is liver disease, it makes all those poisonous substance or toxic substance be retained in the body, and that also can lead to you experiencing chronic fatigue or feeling tired always. The first medical cause is what we call chronic sleep deprivation, which is also known as insomnia. Now, insomnia is a medical condition where you will find it difficult to sleep. So anytime that your sleeping is being disturbed, you wake up feeling tired or fatigued. So this is a way where chronic sleep deprivation or insomnia can also lead to you experiencing easy fatigability or feeling tired always. So these are the 10 medical causes of feeling tired or chronic fatigue. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I hope that a lot more people will be blessed and impacted by this video. I remain Owusu Kojo Emmanuel. Thank you.